It's 2026, Windows 10 is officially a thing of the past, and you've managed to bypass requirements and install Windows 11 on your old laptop. It looks great, right? At first glance, it feels like a victory. The interface is slick, the animations are fluid, and you've dodged the cost of a new computer. But beneath the surface, your system is a ticking bomb. Today we're talking about real risk of running Windows 11 on an unsupported hardware in 2026 and why the hacks that worked last year might break your computer today. First, let's be fair. Why do we do this? The modern look. You get the latest UI, snap layouts, and the new File Explorer, app compatibility. Many new Microsoft Store apps and 2026 version of the Office now require Windows 11. Electronic waste. You're saving a perfectly functional laptop from the landfill. I'm not gonna lie, it's a noble goal, but in 2026 Microsoft has fundamentally changed the rules of the game. Risk number 1. The hardware updates. Starting with 25H2 and 26H1 builds, Microsoft began using CPU instruction like POP-CNT. If your processor is too old, Windows won't just lag. It will fail to boot entirely. A single Tuesday update could turn your laptop into a brick. Risk number 2. The security gap. In 2026, hackers target the vulnerability that Windows 11 patches. If your system is unsupported and misses these updates, you're completely unprotected. Risk number 3. The BitLocker trap. Windows 11 leans heavily on data encryption for security. On modern PCs, this is handled by dedicated TPM 2.0 chip, but on older hardware where we use software workarounds to bypass these requirements, we are seeing a massive spike in key corruption. During a major system update, the bypass can glitch, causing Windows to lose its connection to the encryption key. If that happens, your data is gone. No recovery, no backdoor. Without that hardware-level handshake, your files are locked in a digital vault forever. Risk number 4. The AI bloat. Windows 11 is now an AI-first OS. Features like Copilot and background NPU tasks are designed for new chips. On an old Intel 6th or 7th gen, these processes will spike your CPU to 100%, causing overheating and massive slowdowns. So, is it worth it? If this is your secondary laptop for browsing, maybe. But if this is your primary machine for work or study, you're playing with fire, my friend. The bypasses are getting harder to maintain and Microsoft is getting more aggressive at blocking them. If you're still on unsupported hardware, 2026 is here to either consider Linux distro like Linux Mint for your old gear or finally make the jump to a modern AI PC. Have you experienced the blue screen of death after recent updates? Let me know in the comments below. If this video was helpful, please like it, and I recommend watching my review of RX 9070 XT.